Hey, Howdy Outdoorsmen. It's us, outdoors and stuff. And this is a sword we forgot to film making, so we're just gonna film us finishing it. And so right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grind off some of this junk using this bad boy. We're gonna try and put an edge on it and maybe some like finger slots for gripability using this bad boy, and then I think that's about it until we head back down to the forge, heat it up, see if we can straighten out the warp, and get this bad boy quenched in some water. Yeah, that's the plan. Grinding it, we're going to try to put a little bit of an edge on it, and then the plan is to go heat it back up again and quench it, and then we put the real edge on it. So that's the plan right now. A jester. What do you feel like? A jester. I feel like, you know how they have like the big sea things? This is to protect my bare arms. Light her up. Okay, well, that was a bit anticlimactic.
That's not gasoline. It's not gonna go. Poof. Ow, that fire is on me. No.
So what you're saying is you're on fire.
Yes. It's just a joke. I'm not actually on fire.
Fire.
Rolled the disclaimer.
Yeah.
Alright, now the disclaimer's done.
You see that?
See what? The gray? I don't know what that is.
See that white bubbly thingy?
Yeah.
I think that's some smoke. Alright guys, it wasn't doing this 2 minutes ago. And then I turned on the air blower. And now it's doing it. Doing the good fire stuff. We like to see it. That is in fact what we like to see. Right there. But I want it. I mean, it's pretty straight.
That's it?
Yeah, it's pretty straight.
Okay, I'm ready.
We just gave it 8 seconds up and down the entire blade, so it's not hot enough, I know that, but it's too long. Wave maker, where are you?
Ah, it's purple.
Yeah.
Rainbow. Now we get to go grind it again.
Yay.
So here's our scales that we got cut out. Just cut them in half on the table saw. Just gonna slap them on either side. We decided to do scales because it's the easiest and we kind of know how to do that, kind of. Emphasis on kind of. So I just need to, when we slap them on there, we do need to drill holes in it. Get that done. And then pins. I had to go find something for pins.
Look at this. I'm sorry, my pants are on the way, Eli.
We got pins, we got scales, and we got a blade. Now we just got to make sure we line everything up correctly and then drill the holes.
Yeah.
Then we get to work on the scales and the handle. Well, sharpening the blade, but
Yeah.
let's see, we drill the holes now, I think, for the pins.
Alright, well, after a quick commercial cookie break, we're back and we have the sword with the 2 pieces of wood we're going to use for a handle. We chopped off down here, and on the other side we kind of ball peened those over. So, peened them. Got them peened.
Yeah.
We're going to go back down, do the same with these, and then cut the handle. Cut the excess wood that's just chilling out.
Yep.
Off the edge. Alright, we're back and we've cut them off. And we've peened the other side down. So now we're going to take this flat, but it's not flat, so we're going to curve it with the blade.
Good explanation, thanks.
The handle's dummy thick. And that's okay, because we're too lazy to make it any less dummy thick than it is. So instead we're going to move to the sharpening of the blade.
So we finished the sword.
Yeah.
And now we're going to test it on things. So we're going to put some stuff on this sawhorses. And we're going to chop them. Right.
Chop. Eli's going to cut through that piece of styrofoam 3, 2, 1, chop. Oh my god, he did it.
Completely obliterated it.
Wow. Alright, I'm gonna chop through this root. And more like smash through it than... The soup's ready. Eli's gonna try and hit the bucket, but it's not gonna work. But we'll see. Drop the bucket. Put it back down. Let me see it. Wow, okay. My doubts were proved wrong.
I'm gonna go all the way through it.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna back up a little bit.
Ready?
Sure.
I think I just knocked it out.
Now that's a lot of damage.
Good. I mean, handle, we could have done a lot better, but after we got it attached, there wasn't a whole lot we could do. Blade held up pretty well in the small test we did. I mean, it looks pretty cool. It's like a orc sword thing, but you know, with the spike, it's pretty good at stabbing things. I mean,
yeah, if you want to put it through someone's cranium.
Yeah. So.
Not good for chopping, but this could ruin someone's day.
Out of all our projects, I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll give it a 6 out of 10 because it's the first sword we've made. Technical sword.
I was also going to go with the 6 out of 10 because the blade, I think, is spot on, but the handle deducts the rest of the points because it's kind of trash.
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
I mean, like that's like 2 inches thick.
Yeah.
An inch. 2.5 inches. It's inches thick.
Inches. It's too thick.
Yeah, it's just dummy thick.
Yeah. But we made it.
But the rest of everything is good.
Yeah.
And we did it.
And it didn't break.
And it didn't break.
Yeah.
Weird film.
So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out some behind the scenes stuff and find out about the stuff that we're making before they get uploaded, go check out the Instagram. Also go check out the podcast if you like to listen to stuff instead of watch things and listen to things at the same time.
If you're a busy man and you can't look at our faces while you do things multitasking, then just listen to our voices instead.
There you go. That's it. We'll see you next time.
Play cool outro. We don't have a cool outro theme thing.
We will now,
Yeah.
because you've made me have to make one.